Hello everyone. Today we will be talking jolly group of 1. 1 has got 6 sound. Letter S. S gives sound and action is letter A. A gives sounds A and action is A, A, A. Letter T. Letter T makes sound and action is letter P. Letter P makes sound and action is letter I. Letter I makes sound E. E and action is E. 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 Letter N. Letter N makes sound and action is again we will revise. Letter S makes sound. Letter A makes sound A, A, A. Letter T. Letter T makes sound. Letter P. Letter P makes sound. Letter I. Letter I makes sound E, E, E. Letter N. Letter N makes sound Thank you everyone.